Welcome to Science in a Minute.
Hi guys, welcome to Science in a Minute. So for today's video, I will tackle about the functions of the liver. Let's go. But before I discuss, I have a question for you guys. What is the primary function of the liver? It is A, producing insulin, B, filtering waste from the blood, C, breaking down food, or it is D, storing oxygen. Now 5 seconds to get your answer. Now, if you have your answer, I will reveal it to you. The answer is letter B, filtering waste from the blood. The liver processes nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract, detoxifies chemicals, and metabolize drugs, filtering the blood from the digestive tract. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the human body. Understanding how these parts work together gives us a deeper appreciation for our own anatomy. Stay curious and keep discovering the wonders within you.